So, hello and good day to everyone. I am Adrex and Maranan from BSITS2A, and for today's activity, we will be installing the Windows NT4 in Oracle VirtualBox. So let's start by opening the Oracle VirtualBox itself and clicking New. So let's type the name which is Windows NT. So automatically, mapipili niya yung Windows NT4. Then, finish. Tsaka natin i-open si settings and look for the storage and attach the ISO, which is in this one. Empty, click the disk icon, choose, oh no, explore pala to. Choose a disk file and look for your Windows NT4 ISO, then open, then click OK and try clicking start. Let's see if it will go through. Powering VM up. Waiting for it to process. Let's be patient, everyone. No. Windows NT setup. Setup is loading files. So as usual, we will be leaving everything as default. So let's just keep entering if we get prompt. If we get prompt to do so. Yeah. Maybe let's try clicking enter. Nothing happened. There you go. Enter to continue. Enter to continue. Enter to continue setup. C to continue setup. Page down. Next page. Next page, next page, next page. Just skip everything. F8, I agree. Enter, select. Oh. Select, enter. Enter, install. Using the NTFS file. Continue. Setup is formatting. Looking good. Nice. Windows NT Workstation setup, continue, enter, enter. Checking drive C. Nice. If there is a floppy disk inserted, drive remove it. Oh, we are asked to remove the compact disk. So remove this computer drive, then enter. Go. We will be prompted once again. Let's just wait for it to load up the setup itself. Then we can reattach the ISO later again. We will be prompted to reinsert the ISO, which can be found in the same icon. So attach it. Okay. There you go. Next. Typical. Next. Name, end user. Organization, tb.edu. Product ID. Next. Can we skip this one? No. So let me just look up. So let's search for an online. Let's click this one. 112. 11111. Oh. Oh. 3468. OEM 003968248006. Next. No. 003968248894 48894. Oh, 34698. 34698. Oh, there we go. Skip. No, do not create an emergency disk. Next. Install the most components. Most common components. Next. Wired to the network. Keep it as default. Next. Start search. Select from list. No, just keep it as default. Next. Continue. Yes. Next. Work group. Next. Finish. I think will be prompted to restart the PC. Oh, not yet. So click GMT plus 8 Beijing. Close. Okay. Test. Uy. What happened? Yes. Then okay. Windows MT setup. Prompting for a restart. I think so, yes. Remove disk from floppy disk, move out disk from CD-ROM, and choose restart computer. So we are asked to remove the compact disk again. Let's remove that one. Then restart computer. There you go. Let's see. Oh, now we are asked to choose. Which is the first one? Click enter. Let it as is. Leave everything as is. Press Ctrl Alt Delete to log in. Input. Okay. There you go. So that's it. Windows NT 4 is now successfully installed in Oracle Virtual